Ano 30 minutes?
It's just 3 minutes.
Yeah. Welcome to part 4. Bukas na
Hi guys, tonight
magsisend kami. Magpupost bukas.
Today we don't have school. Tonight we don't have school today.
What? Kamahalan, bata-bata, huwag kang matakot. Isigaw at sumayang ika'y umikot. Maging tayong mga lumulimos. Kamahalan, kamahalan. Na my fault. Ano yun? Ginagawa mo sa views, sinasaktan mo sila talaga. Ang sakit talaga ng loob mo. Ha? Nahulog, ang galing talaga ng pagbaba. Ginagawa mo dyan!
The ball is stuck!
No, please.
This is a part.
Baya!
Ayan.
Ayan. Sada, come on!
Ako sa
This is the last video we got. Tonight we don't have school tonight. Stop!
No, where's that? Believe it or not, guys, she's blah down.
Yes.
Hey, big pig! Sige na, nagulat kami dahil sa kuya ko na! Baka pumasok na naman.
Tonight we don't have school tomorrow.
Wala kaming budget book.
Yeah.
It means we don't have school tomorrow.
Yes, I know.
No, just translating it. I'm just translating it for them.
Okay. Tonight we're gonna do what?
Guys, we're gonna make a video in the morning. If we can actually. So, bye!
Bye, guys!
Bye, Mel!